Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on Tinder app. In order to change password on your Tinder app, you must be logged in on your Tinder application. So tap open your Tinder app, and once you have tapped open your Tinder app, from the home page you'll have to tap on the profile icon that is located on the bottom right hand side corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll be directed on your profile page. From here, you'll have to tap on the settings icon that is also located on the right hand side corner on the top. After you tap on settings, here you'll be able to see account settings on the very beginning. And to change your password on Tinder app means to change your phone number. So you'll have to tap on the phone number option that is located here. After that, tap on update my phone number that will be on the below. Then here you'll have to type in a new phone number that you want to set as your Tinder password. Then tap on next. You'll receive the code on your phone number. Then you'll have to type in the code. Once you're done typing in the code, tap on the next button. And just like that, here as you can see, your new phone number has been updated. Hence, your password has been changed. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on your Tinder app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.